I lived in Laguna Honda for 16 years. In 2006, I had a stroke, which was a very bad stroke. I was in coma for 2 weeks or more than 2 weeks. After that, they moved me to California Davis and the Balls and Castro. Once they moved me to Laguna Honda, I met a lot of people younger than me. The facility was huge facility and very good people take care to me, so I was so happy. Look like I'm okay, but I have a lot of problems, especially with my diabetics. I can move only my arms and my head. Right here you have everything. You have X-ray, you have a pain clinic, you have a wound clinic, you have a podiatric, you have an eye clinic right here. We have like a 2010 starting with a computer club right here, and they come to teach us wherever we need and wherever we don't know. And I enjoy also the art studio. I like to painting, you know. I'm learning, but it's nice to spend time right here. That one is one of my paintings. That one is for my hometown in Mexico. Many people, maybe they don't need, but many of us, we really need the service they provide to us right here at Laguna Honda. It's what I think is my home. For many years, they say, where are you? My home is Laguna Honda. Right here is my life.